Alright, so first things first, I want to say thank you for 1,600 subscribers. Honestly, I'm quite surprised because I haven't posted in a while, but it's good to see the subscribers and the views go up regardless. So I decided that I should probably post something. So I've decided to post this. Pretty much I'm just attempting to do foreshortened poses. I've never really been good at these, so I decided to put the reference from Pinterest in the top corner. So feel free to judge that. If you have any suggestions or tips of how I can make it better, please feel free to let me know. I will defend myself, however. I am aware that for some of these, the angle is completely off. And in all honesty, that's because I don't look at the reference enough. I take glances at it here and there. And if I'm trying to make it perfect, I definitely need to work on that. But anyway, I would like to say I appreciate you watching this video. I appreciate if you've watched any of my other videos. And if you would like to help me get to 2,000 subscribers, you know what to do. Also, in all honesty, the reason why I haven't really posted recently is because I actually have no idea what to post. I kind of overthink what I should post, and that kind of just leads me to just not posting anything. So I haven't really recorded anything in a while. I just kind of draw in my free time, as one usually does. So if you would like to see me draw something, or talk about something, or do any type of art related video, please let me know. If it's something that I can do, I will do it. But yeah, again, have a good day. Thank you for watching.